Casa Della Lavanda. Crochet for beginners. Lesson 4. Treble crochet stitch in British terminology, or double crochet in United States terms. A treble, or American double crochet, is made by putting your yarn over the hook and then putting your hook through the two V-shaped strands at the top of your chain stitch, or stitch from your previous line of crochet. Hook the yarn with your hook and pull it through the V strands. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Put your yarn over your hook and pull it through 2 of these loops. You will have 2 loops remaining. Put your yarn over your hook again and pull it through the remaining 2 loops. You have made a treble crochet, or double if you're using the American terminology. You can then turn your work, make 3 chain stitches, or vice versa, and make your treble or double crochet into the second V from the hook. The chains are instead of the first treble or double crochet and keeps your work neater. Carry on until the end of the row and repeat as many times as you need to for your project or pattern. You now have the means to make more varied designs of blankets, throws and garments. You can vary your stitches with single crochet or double crochet stitches that we taught you in our previous lessons. Coming very soon, how to make a granny square and cute crochet hearts for Valentine's Day. So don't forget to hit the notification bell and to subscribe to this channel for crafting, creating and restoration tips.